welcome to UMEUS. I'm gonna give you a little tour of what this place really looks like in person, and I hope you enjoy and find it helpful. So let's go. So as you can see, there's plenty of study rooms, study spaces, study pods. I mean, there's desks everywhere available either just to take up or to book on the app, which UMEUS has their own app, which is kind of nice. You can have little communities there and check any events, any newsletters, and so on. But yeah, as you can see, it's very, very study friendly. On the 7th floor, and welcome to the terrace. I think UMEUS has such a beautiful view on a lot of the city. Actually, we're pretty high up, so we have some fresh air, and during the summer you can only imagine it's just a really nice hangout space, but also, I mean, you really cannot pick a better view. If you share a kitchen like me, it'll probably look something like this. You basically have a ton of storage for yourself, as well as some fridges and freezers, a TV, table, chairs, and of course the full kitchen. Don't mind the mess, this is, a live kitchen. It's a fully furnished kitchen. Utensils, dishes, which is so convenient because if you're coming from abroad, you don't even have to buy anything for the kitchen. There's so many appliances. Of course, like some things have, like the couch, are kind of additions from the people that live here. So yeah, done some decorations, but it's a pretty spacious, nice kitchen. the end of each corridor, there's usually a storage place called a community service station. And what that basically means is that we have some common use items, this vacuum cleaner and some other supplies.